Okay, so what I'm doing is for that bug catcher or anything that's like flying around like a fly or a crane fly or a mosquito, I turned this 99-cent store or Dollar Tree claw into it's electrified, if you know this by my previous videos like about a year and a half ago. So anyways, so what I'm doing is I'm curling the sides in, because when I close it, the side that has no curls at all is still open, you know what I mean? So flies can still kind of get through, even though the static electricity kind of acts like a spider web. Anything that goes in there and it traps them, and then they get electrified. So, but if I close up the sides, it'll work a little bit more better. So go ahead and hook that up. I'll be right back. Much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and close up the other side. Okay, so I got it. Check it out. That closes up pretty good, and even at the top, boom, both sides. If I just hit the button, it's like